Welcome to this week's edition of the Marian M-Beat. Today, we'll be taking a special look behind the scenes of the Jugglers Gift and learn what it takes to make a play. Next up, you'll get to see how this week's M-Beat team decided to celebrate April Fools. Get to know some of our maintenance staff at Marian and all they do for us. And finally, stick around to hear about a much-needed wake-up call for the Marian cafeteria. From March 31st through April 3rd, Marian High School, accompanied by students from Creighton Prep, hosted their annual spring play. This play in particular was unique from any other of Marian's productions, as it was written by the director.
My name is Michael McCandless. I've been directing for years, it seems, ever since the 80s, I think. Because I've always loved this story ever since childhood, the story of the juggler of Notre Dame. And it had this, even beyond the spiritual connotation, this miracle that happened. Well, it's always been in the back of my head. And initially it was to honor my mother. My mother had passed away that year, and so I wanted to dedicate something to her memory. And so in 2007, I decided to put it down into a script.
Hi, my name is Lauren Montague. I am a senior. I play a nun, a dead person, and a dancing person. I'm most excited to see people's reactions. It's an original play, so no one really knows what's happening that's in the audience, so I'm excited just to see their honest reactions. And I think everybody brings their own unique abilities to the production. I love getting to know everybody from all the different grades, and everybody's just truly their authentic selves.
So I'm a nun.
I'm backstage crew.
I'm backstage crew too.
I'm really excited to see the crowd's reactions when on stage, and again getting to see the play come to life, getting to see everyone learn their lines and then adapt their character as they go.
I'm excited to see all this said, so that'll be really cool.
It's coming down to the minute.
Yeah.
Overall, Marian's production of The Juggler's Gift was largely successful. Cast, crew, and audience alike had a wonderful experience.
Sometimes when you're in the middle of a project like this, it's hard to see the whole picture because you have all these little details that you're trying to accomplish.
Marian Theater is a great opportunity to branch out and explore your talents. If you are interested in being a part of future Marian productions, keep an eye out for information on how to involve yourself in this fall's production. For April Fools, we decided to pull prank interviews on students around the school. Stay tuned to see their reactions.
So what's your name and grade?
My name's Christina Law and I'm a junior.
Dance battles, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, but when?
Anytime.
Like right now?
Sure.
Hi, could you please state your name and grade?
Tessa Brooks, sophomore.
Sophia Reinhardt, sophomore.
Lovely. Okay, so first question. So if you had some of them, would you add maybe 4?
What?
With the situation in New Hampshire considered, would you buy unsolicited party favors? Honda Civic, yes, no, or maybe?
Maybe.
Good. So do both of you still have your lateral incisors?
Can you repeat the question?
Come again?
So Honda Civics, they're great, but maybe?
I prefer the Prius.
I currently drive a Ford Escape, so.
What's your favorite flavor?
Come again?
What's your favorite flavor?
Red.
Did I get a name?
Name?
Can I get a name?
Billie Eilish.
Last week we interviewed Tim about what he does at Marian. Keep watching for helpful tips on how to make his job easier.
I'm in charge of the Marian is with the school itself on campus. There's restroom maintenance, cleaning, pack, things that girls can help improve the process of cleaning or be considerate of is trying to pick up things that are large items that fall on the floor. Not dump coffee in the sinks in the drinking fountains. And also, whenever there's a theme, like field day or surprise day, do not put glitter in the sinks. That causes a big plug up in the sink system, and therefore it's an expense you have to call plumbers out to fix it. Those are the main things as far as the maintenance is concerned.
Sister Margaret and Mrs. Alicia are people who clean up after lunch on a day-to-day basis. Here are some of their thoughts and opinions about the cafeteria after lunch.
What are the things that you wish that people would do after lunch?
Respect each other, think about others. If they wouldn't really like to sit at a dirty table, please don't leave their table dirty.
My emotions about the lunches that are left over are very high right now. I am not your mother. I know I look nice and I know that I am a mother, but I'm not your mother. Pick up after yourselves. It's ridiculous. A bag of trash in the ticket office. I wanted to show you girls what I picked up just in the first 2 minutes of lunch duty. Pick up after yourselves, please, and thank you.
What I would like to point out and give credit to, the majority of girls are just absolutely fantastic about cleaning their own tables, first of all. I've seen other young ladies, as they're leaving, see something in another area on the floor and pick it up and throw it away without even being asked. Any girl that I have ever asked to please pick up something that's not theirs and throw it away, they do it, and they do it with a smile. Now, to me, that's a Marian girl. I just think we need to pat ourselves on the back and notice those kinds of things as well. Keep that Marian pride and that Marian spirit. You ladies are wonderful. Thank you.